This is Joel from Computer, reporting live from Houston, right behind the Houston NASA Mission Control Center. You know, NASA wouldn't launch a rocket without a mission control, but some businesses still run like computers without any native photos. If your Wi-Fi goes down and your office or your whole office acts like a spaceship, losing oxygen, you need a managed IT, not miracles. At NASA, one bad cable can jeopardize a mission. In your office, one bad cable can jeopardize payroll. So here's today's quick IT tip. Have your team map out or label every devices, cable, workstations, and logins to make sure it's properly labeled. If NASA labels everything your business should do, at Computer, we keep your business from crashing harder from a bad rocket test. Call us at 480-464-0202.